Okay, so for this assignment, we're going to be doing a mystery reveal and a drag and drop. So first, if you would make a title slide, and then I will just kind of show you what we're going to do that I have made. So this is what it's going to end up looking like, but I will show you guys how to get all of these steps. So first, I'm just going to go over here, and we'll just delete this. So we just have a blank screen. I'll just go over here. We'll do blank. So first, we need to get a background. So if you just go over here, and you can choose a background color. Choose this color, and then you click done. So first you have the background color. Then we need to start adding in text boxes. So if you go over here to insert text box, and then this is where your question will be. So I will just put in, this is just an example, what is your favorite color? So we have the question there, and then we will need to go over someone here where I said move the magnifying glass over to the empty box to reveal the answer. So we will need to put that, and you can play around with this. Kind of, we'll make it a little bit bigger. So you can see, you can change the font of the text. You can change the color. We'll change it to white. Okay, so we have that done. And then we need to insert a new text box. So we'll go down here, and I am just going to copy and paste that text in there. And you might have to play around with how big or how small you want it. I'll make mine a little bigger. Change the font. Okay, so we have those two things, and then you can find a magnifying glass on Google. So if you just go into Google Images, you can find an image of a magnifying glass, but I am just going to copy and paste that one in. And so then finally we'll need a text box for where the answer goes. So I'll go there, and then, so this is where you'll be putting the answer to the question. So the question is, what is your favorite color? And I will just put blue. So here right now, we can see that the text right here, we can see it now without the magnifying glass being over it. So we need to change the color of the text so that it matches the color of the background. So we'll change that, and then we can make it a little bit bigger. Then we can change the font of it. So then, right now we can't see it. We might need to put a border around that. So you go over here, and you drag it over the text, and you can see that it says blue. And you're going to need to add borders to these, well, at least to this one, so that you can see where to drag it. Oh, I dragged the text, not the thing. So that is how you will do it, and you can pick any subject you want besides math. And then going down here, we have a kind of a different setup where it says work as a team to solve the problem. So I gave the same questions, but they're just in a different order. So we'll just go with this one, and it says, what is South Dakota's biggest city by population? So you see the answers over here, and you just drag them over here. Since what is the population of South Dakota? You'll kind of have to look over, is it 320 million or around 822,000? So you'll go and you'll drag the answers there. And then if you go down here, it will tell you the answers to number 1 to the first slide. And then if you go click on this one, it'll give you the answer key to that one. So that is what I want you to do for this project.